Your brain drops natural DMT every night. Are you tripping through other dimensions? You close your eyes, and everything fades away. Your body stays in bed, yet your mind drifts into places that feel just as real as waking life. But where does your consciousness go when you sleep? If sleep is just rest, why does your mind create entire worlds, conversations, and events that sometimes feel more vivid than reality? Science tells us that sleep is when the brain restores itself, but that barely scratches the surface. Why do we dream about things we've never seen? If the brain is simply resting, why does it stay more active at night than when we're awake? Let's dive into DMT, dimethyltryptamine. It's a powerful psychedelic compound found naturally in many plants and even in the human brain. Scientists believe the brain releases DMT every night when we enter REM sleep. People who take synthetic DMT often report experiences similar to dreams, seeing strange landscapes, meeting entities, feeling like they're being shown hidden truths. If the brain naturally produces DMT, does that mean dreams are just hallucinations? Let's talk about precognitive dreams. Some dreams are random, while others are eerily precise. If dreams are just random brain activity, why do they sometimes provide glimpses into the future? Then there's sleep paralysis. Why do some people wake up paralyzed, fully aware but unable to move? This terrifying experience often involves the sensation of an unseen presence in the room. Now, let's touch on lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming activates the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for self-awareness. Why do we have this ability if dreaming is just random brain activity? Most people have experienced dreams that feel like they last for hours, even though only a few minutes have passed in real life. If our minds can experience time differently when dreaming, could it mean that consciousness itself isn't strictly tied to our physical reality? Lastly, let's consider the multiverse theory. Some dream worlds are so vivid and coherent that they feel real. Dreams reveal hidden aspects of consciousness, distort time and space, and connect us to experiences beyond life itself. What they truly are remains unknown, but one thing is certain. Sleep is not just sleep. It's a doorway to something far deeper than we've been led to believe. Until next time, beautiful souls, trust your journey and honor your magic.